माझ्या शाळेचे नाव जिल्हा परिषद प्राथमिक शाळा राऊत. आम्ही अ टीम ऑफ द वर्कर्स ह्याच्यावर नाटिका बसवणार आहे. Work in the morning, in the evening, we are always at work. During the day and even at night, we are always at work. Hands come forward and tell youth what to do. We don't we carry, we giving and we take, we pull, we push, we work and protect, we make, we do Please come forward and tell us what to do. We walk, we run, we tap, we dance, we skip and jump and hop. We skip proud and we turn about and just in time we stop. Eyes, ears, nose, what about you?
Yes, बरोबर. हाँ.
We open, we close, we read, we breathe, we see things far and near. And we are loud, soft, deep, soft in sound, very high. After day and night, I can never rest. I have to smart every smart, good or bad or best and bet about you now. Oh, you know I open and shut and smile. I sit, I speak, I eat, I drink, I sit, I search, I chew and bite. What do I get? Any of the food? No, it all goes to this lazy baby. Is it right? The belly doesn't do any work. That's right, the belly doesn't do any work. That's not right. That's not right, that's wrong. I do a lot of work, but it goes on inside me. You can't see it, but I do work. Why can't we see it? It's because you don't do any work. You don't move a sheep where shall be work to give you food. Don't do that. I work for all of us. We will all suffer if you don't give me food. Don't try to deceive.
जागा बदलायची आहे. हां.
Please get some food. I am all ready to start my work. No, please, no. We are all going to relax just like you. Please listen to me. You must give me food. I decide it for all of us. so dry. We can't see properly. We feel so tired. What's the matter? What's wrong with all of us? You silly fellows, now you have no energy. What gives you energy? Food. Oh, what's on food to give you energy? Thing. Food keeps the belly. Yes, of course, belly digests food and sends energy to all of you. Do you understand it now? Yes, now we know it very well. A lot of us.
या 2 मिनिट
We don't not starve is up. We done important work. In the morning, in the evening, we are always at work. Thank you.
छान टाळ्या